is it important to study media or digital media? And the answer is because content was the king and now it's become the kingdom, an empire. Many students are bogged down, hesitant, reluctant, and having difficulty in deciding the future course of career because of the pandemic. So, I would like to ask this question to those students who have chosen to decide and take a year drop in the year 2020. If 1 year is equivalent to 12 months, 12 months is equivalent to 365 days. These days are equivalent to 8,760 hours, and these hours are equivalent to 5,25,600 minutes, and these minutes are equivalent to 31,536,000 seconds. Then, do you have any idea that how many thoughts, how many ideas, how many contents, and how many revolutionary ideas go unutilized, wasted, without being implemented and without being portrayed towards the world? If 20,000 thoughts per day comes in our mind, just imagine, thoughts equals ideas, ideas equal content, and content equal revolutions. And how many revolutionary ideas, contents have been unutilized during this time, and what difference you can make as an individual by applying your thoughts into ideas, ideas into contents, and contents making revolution. So, my second question to you is, if given a chance, you would choose to be addicted to these dopamine releasing contents in your brain which you are addicted to, or would you be the one to create such revolutionary contents which will be generated or created by your mind? Choose. So students, if you decide to join this revolution, you will be a part of the industry which is going to be reaching 2.6 trillion in 2023. This is not just booming, but the growth is very much evident and the whole world knows about it. Media and digital media ranks second after IT industry in this fourth industrial revolution, because all the contents that IT makes, okay, the platform that IT creates would be dependent on the contents to be filled in by the media and the content creators. So being a part of media industry in this phase of time, this prominent phase, you are going to choose a very, very good and safe career option. Approximately 40 million jobs openings are yet to come, and the world is going to witness this as an history. Now, this 40 million jobs are going to be in the sector of digital marketing and digital media. The most highly paid jobs will be in the sector of digital marketing and digital media. As you know, the entire mainstream is shifting towards digital media. Television, radio, newspaper is shifting towards the digital platform. So it is digital journalism. It is, all the newspapers have come into e-newspapers, e-magazines. Then you have the podcasts in the form of the radio has come up with the podcasts now. So these are things that we are seeing. There's a shift happening from the mainstream to digital. So the entire job is being created in the area of digital sector, digital media. So all the students, those who are waiting, should be focusing on the areas which is shifting. In this fourth industrial revolution, you need to understand which are the areas you need to work on, which are the skills which is going to be more demanding, which are the areas into enhancing, which are the areas which you should read about, know about. E-commerce is going to be booming a lot. So with that, product photography is going to make a place for itself. So a lot of product photographers will be required. With a new shift in the digital marketing industry, now there is another new trend that has come in, that is digital entertainment marketing ideas. So if you talk about filter copy contents, they are digital entertainment marketing strategy of promoting content. So even the marketing is become a part of the entertainment sector, and in the form of entertainment, the promotion goes on, the branding goes on, advertisements goes on, marketing strategies have changed its ways. So marketing strategies changing its way and shifting its ways is actually giving you the scope of digital media. Okay, so now when you talk about the most highly paid jobs, what are the jobs that you can look forward for? Digital media manager, pay-per-clicks manager, SEM, SEO manager, content strategist, e-commerce specialist, brand market expert, social media manager, digital project managers. These are jobs which are going to be the most highly paid jobs. Now, other areas like product photography, digital entertainment contents, web series, video editing, digital journalism will be the future career opportunities in media. Okay, now if digital media is ranking second after the IT because of the need of the content in the IT sector. So if IT is developing the structure and the platform, and it is being filled in, and those platforms are being filled in by the contents which are made by the media professionals, that means there is going to be a huge need of media professionals, not just media professionals, but skilled media professionals. So there is a huge need for skilled media professionals in the sector of digital media. So this year should be utilized in converting those years, or the years to come should be utilized to enhance your communication skills or learning these skills which will be a part of the future. So the future is digital media and media and entertainment industry. So what are you waiting for? Christmas? Don't wait. Get up, move, and explore the area of digital media and media. All the best.